Today, we are going to be doing a science experiment. So for that, I'm going to put my glasses down. Now, normally they would be safety glasses, but because the sun is bright in the sky and I find it a bit tricky to see anyway because it's so bright, I thought I'll do my sunglasses and my safety glasses in one. All right, are you ready to hear what we need? Back to our handy sheet. What you need. First off, food coloring. So I've got this here. Mine looks a little bit different than yours. This is sky blue color. That was the blue one. So there's a clue. Next, vinegar. So food coloring, vinegar. Here we go. Some vinegar. Shoe fly. Right. And some containers. Now in my containers, I already have the food coloring. So I'm going to put this down. I'll pick it up. Ooh. Let's see what color that is. Red. That one's green. Hard to sign with containers in your hand. That one's purple. And that one's blue. And there's one more thing that you need, which bicarbonate of soda. Okay. And we've got that right here. Not sure if you've guessed it yet, but what we're doing is we're going to make an eruption, a volcano. So first, what we're going to do, put some bicarbonate of soda in. Okay. Now, here comes the really messy part. Are you ready? I'm going to pour some bicarbonate of soda onto it. Okay, you ready? Steady, go! Whoa! Oh my goodness. Can you hear it? Ugh, smells gross. Let's do the next color. Melvin, you're back? I don't think you're gonna like the smell of this. Right, time to put the vinegar first this time. Okay. Does it smell nice, kitty? Wow, that's a lot of vinegar. Melvie? Okay. Whew, are you ready? I'm going to put in a lot of bicarbonate of soda. Shake, 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 shake. Here we go. Oh, that one is definitely more of an eruption. Can you hear it? Put a bit more bicarbonate of soda. What's going to happen? Ooh, another one. Not as much. Okay, would you like a drink? Ugh. Disgusting. Right. Which one? Let's go for this color. What color is this one? Red. Let's put in even more vinegar this time. Oh, the more liquid I put in, the more vinegar. It looks like it's turned to orange. Okay. Shake, 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 shake. Are you ready for the bicarbonate of soda? It's gonna come in really fast here. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Wow. Still going. Wow, that was a good one. Can you hear it? Okay, last one. Ooh. Last one. the blue. Blue. Okay. Lots of vinegar. Okay, tell me when to stop. Did you say stop? No, not yet. More or finished? More? More or finished? Did you say finished? Oh, you said more? Okay, that's it, because we're not going to have enough room otherwise. Okay. Now once it starts to fizz and come up over the top, I'll try and grab it and bring it over to the microphone so you can hear it. Let's count down from 3 this time. 3, 2, 1. Here comes the bicarbonate of soda. Wow! Whoa! Volcano science experiment. Thank you for watching the volcano science experiment. Make sure you watch tomorrow for the We're Going on a Bear Hunt video. Bye!